An array is a group of multiple values. These are referred to as members that can be assigned to a single variable. The values in an array are said to be indexed, meaning that you can refer to them by number according to the order in which they appear in the list. So you can think of an array as values that are accessed as if they are in a numbered list. It's important to know that the numbering of the list starts with 0 in JavaScript, not 1. By having these index numbers assigned to the items of the array, you can use this to access specific items inside of the array. Let's look at an example. Here I have a very simple script that sets up a variable called myVariable. I'm making it equal to an array, and I've specified some different value types that are appearing within my array. The number 8, a string of text that spells out 8, and a string that designates an 8. And then I'm going to alert, and I'm going to call the first member of my array. So if we view this in our browser, you can see that I get an alert that specifies 8. If we change the value inside the square brackets to a 1, and we test this in our browser, you can see that now the JavaScript alert is displaying 8 spelled out. To retrieve any item from an array, you specify the array name along with the index number inside of the square brackets. Arrays are always indicated by the square brackets. And so for now, just remember that anytime you need to access any of the values, you can grab them from the array name by referencing their index number. You'll most often use arrays when you want element names to be sequential numbers. There's all sorts of things that you can do with arrays, including writing out all of the items from the array, but in order to do that, you'll need to use a loop. We'll be talking about loops later on. In addition to that, we're going to be talking a lot more about arrays as well, but I just wanted to introduce you to the terms and give you an overview of what they're all about.